Welcome to Chibuzor Mathphysics. My name is Augustine Chibuzor Galagash, and I want to welcome you to this mathematics platform. Today I want to take you through the use of calculator, and for those that will be joining us in this class, I would like you to subscribe to this channel so that you will consistently receive the notification bell as we upload our subsequent videos. You help us to help you. That's exactly how we grow together. So today we've got questions here, and out of concern I decided to make this video. So follow through and pay attention to every details on how to use this calculator. Thanks for all our subscribers and all those who continue to support this channel. It has been a great thing so far, and will continue to grow. And for the new AMOLED calculator that we've just subscribed to in order to enhance this teaching, this is Casio FS991ES Plus second edition, the AMOLED calculator software that we are going to be using in this video today. And actually it is one of the standard recommended calculator for doing all these computations. So let's start from question number 1. As you can see, use the keys for exponents, logarithms and reciprocals in your calculator to evaluate the following. We are to find in bracket 0.008367 squared. So let us plug that into our calculator. Follow through. You on the calculator, this is the on button, open the bracket and put what we have there. It is simply 0.00 then we have 8367, then close the bracket, squared, then press the equal sign. That will give us 7.0006689 times 10 negative 5. So this should be the solution to this. So it is 7.0006689 times 10 negative 5, which can give us 0.00007000669. Negative 5 meaning that we are having 5 zeros just before the 7. So let's take the second question. Find log. Put the calculator on again. So find log 9. Simply press on the log and put 9, close the bracket, equal sign, and that gives you 0.9542425094, and that is the solution to this question II. So let's proceed to III. You are going to find the reciprocal of log 9. What is the reciprocal of? So talking about reciprocal, generally in mathematics, a reciprocal is simply defined as the inverse of the value or a number. If n is a real number, then its reciprocal will be 1 divided by n. So that's how we find the reciprocal of a number. Assuming that n is a reciprocal, then to find the reciprocal of n, it will simply be 1 divided by n. So it means that we have to convert the number to the upside down form. For example, the reciprocal of 9 is 1 divided by 9. So let's take our calculator again and see what is the reciprocal of 9. The reciprocal of 9, put the calculator on again and simply say take the fraction, take 1, then bring the button this side, come down, so take log 9. But then you need to close this bracket, and when you close the bracket, what you will get is 1.047951637, and this is the reciprocal of 9. So let's take the fourth question. We are to evaluate if this is the reciprocal of 9, then we have to evaluate this, and we've given third root 3, that is the root of 3 into 3.172. So let's plug this the way it is in our calculator. Again, we go back to the calculator, but then first of all you put the fraction sign. Then you are not going to put the square root. You observe that this square root is 3 root 3, so it is not just square root that way. So press the shift button and then the square root button that contains 3. Now inside there put 3 plus 172, and you have to multiply. Let's put it exactly the way it is. Put the bracket and put 0.008. Then we've got 367. Close the bracket, then squared. Bring the cursor down. When you bring the cursor down by pressing on this side, you will now put your log, and it is log 9. Close the bracket, then press the equal sign. So what you will get is 0.063459816, and that will be how to evaluate such. Now let's take question number 2. In question number 2, we are given that a circle center 0 has the equation x squared plus y squared is equals to 4. You can watch my previous video on analytical geometry on where I derive the equation of the hyperbola, the equation of the parabola, and even the equation of the ellipse, and that will help you to know how we arrive at this equation x squared plus y squared. So now we are to plug this, or y is equals to root of 4 minus x squared. Use the equation of the circle and the calc or table facility to complete the table below for values of y to correct 2 decimal places. So let us see that. To correct 2 decimal places means let's see what we will have. First of all, go to the mode of your calculator, and in the mode of the calculator take number 7, because we will have a table here. So take 7, so press 7. Now that brings the equation mode that can help us to evaluate this equation and then find this table. So write this equation the way it is. But the calculator is designed in a way that it recognizes mainly x when it comes to equation. So let's take the second equation that says that y is equals to root of 4 minus x squared. So simply plug in the root sign and then take 4 minus x squared. To get x, press alpha, then you will see x, alpha x, then that is squared. Now you can solve these. If you press equal sign, it brings you g of x is equals to some function. Let me show you again. From the mode of the calculator, you have this equation. So you simply press the root sign. Let's take the root sign. 4 minus, take alpha x, then you have squared. So at this point we press the equal sign, and that brings g of x for us. G of x, we are going to start at 0, so press 0 equal. We are starting at you start with 0, then you have 2.0. So here you start from 0, then you end at 2.0, and if you check take the interval, it is simply 0.4 minus 0, that will give off 0.4, so the step will be 0.4, and then you have your table. Now the table here gives us exactly what we are supposed to have in the remaining spaces, the blank places that we have in this table. So when it is 0, it is 2, that is why it is 2.00. When it is 0.4, it is going to be 1.9595. When it is just come down, you scroll down, you will see when it is 0.8, it is simply 1.833. Scroll down again, you will see when it is 1.2, that's why we have 1.6 as it is indicated. And when it is 1.6, it is 1.20 to 2 decimal places, 1.20. And then we already have 0 here, and that is how you evaluate using the equation mode or the calc mode of your calculator.